It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 21st of February. This is James Spann. It's cold this morning, but the good news, we warm up over the next 5 to 7 days. Next week will feel more like springtime, and the weather relatively quiet in terms of rain. Let's look at the upper air look this morning. Big trough over the eastern states. That delivered the cold air a couple of days ago. And peek at the radar, pretty calm morning across the country. So let's check the numbers. Now, these are not wind chill indices. These are actual air temperatures. We've got teens over North Alabama, 14 for Cullman and Haleyville, 17 for Winfield, Gadsden 18, Huntsville 16, Birmingham 18, and a freeze all the way down to the Gulf Coast, Mobile and Dothan 27. But again, warmer days are ahead. There's the watch warning map. It's a calm morning around the nation. And not a single thunderstorm today. Tomorrow, there could be some thunder over southeast Texas and South Louisiana, nothing severe. And on day 3, which is Sunday, maybe a thunderstorm for the coast of Louisiana. But again, no severe storms expected anytime soon. And really not much rain here for the next 7 days. This is the rain valid through Friday morning of next week. Southwest Alabama might see a little light rain as the weekend wraps up. The rest of the state may be a little light rain toward the middle of next week, but nothing major at all. Quite frankly, we see no big high-impact event here, at least for the next week. But let's roll through modeling here, model fans. The dailies, this is the GFS, the 06Z run. Valid today at 3 o'clock, and again, zonal flow, and we have a sunny day today with highs back in the 40s statewide. South Alabama may be in the low 50s. Tomorrow is a sunny day. Now, we'll be below freezing tomorrow morning, but not as cold as this morning. Mostly 20s and low 30s. High tomorrow in the 50s. That'll be like a heat wave. And then Sunday, a little feature you can see to the southwest that might bring a little light rain to Mobile and Baldwin counties. But again, we suggest the European here is not as aggressive as this with the rain. So most of the state dry Sunday with highs in the 50s, maybe low 60s for South Alabama. And again, maybe a little light rain for Mobile and Baldwin counties Sunday evening. Monday, we are dry, highs in the 60s statewide as the big thaw continues. Tuesday, beautiful day. South Alabama, low 70s. North Alabama, upper 60s. So this is the middle of the week on Wednesday. And again, we're still dry. There's a little feature to the north that's just moisture starved. Highs will be in the 70s. And that front will be coming in here Wednesday night. It might squeeze out a sprinkle, but again, it's just not much rain at all. This is Thursday. Should be a little cooler. Thickness values are down. Highs in the still low and mid-60s. This is not Arctic air at all. And a week from today, this is Friday the 28th as we wrap up the month, troughing off to the east. And once again, we're dry and pleasant. Lows in the 40s, highs in the 60s. We'll take that. Let's keep going. Go on 10 days here. This is Sunday, March 2nd. Pretty good short wave over Texas, and this is suggesting maybe a little rain around here, but still not much. So, again, we just don't see any big high-impact event for the next 7 to 10 days. No severe storms, heavy rain, flooding, winter storms, snow, ice, Arctic blast, nothing like that. So kind of a nice break from the active weather here. Here's rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean a little over 1 inch between now and the 7th of March. Temperatures coming off the NBM. Here comes the big warm-up. 40s today, 50s over the weekend, 60s Monday, 72 by Wednesday. If you're in South Alabama, tack on a few degrees. And then still not bad, even after Wednesday. Highs in the 60s and lows mostly in the 30s and 40s. We'll take that. And this is the latest long-range guidance. This is for the 28th of February through the 6th of March. Temperatures across Alabama, near average. But, of course, keep in mind, listen, a lot of people are going to ask, is this the last big freeze? We can have some pretty deep cold snaps here in March and the first half of April. We've had snow here as late as the first week in April. So don't think the cold air is done yet. It's not. But again, things look pretty quiet for the next 10 days. So yesterday, we started off the day with a stratus deck and a few scattered snow flurries. And our main messaging, if you saw the social media post, don't panic. Do not panic. But of course, this is Alabama, and when one snowflake is flying, what do? We panic. But the messaging was, these are flurries, no travel impact, the sky becomes sunny. And that's what happened. Kind of cool to see these birds. They were out there having breakfast with snow flurries flying around. But nice sunset last night. That's a drone shot over Huntsville. And if you look carefully down below, you'll still see a little snow on the ground from the event back on Wednesday. And the Alabama Gulf Coast yesterday. What's missing? People. Before you know it, the spring breakers are going to be there. It'll be jam-packed. But on a cold February day, a severe clear, nobody there. Again, just a gorgeous scene on the Gulf Coast. So today going to be down in Prattville, Daniel Pratt Elementary School for a program there. And then tomorrow, no book signing. I'll be speaking to a nurses association, oncology nurses. We'll get back on the book signing tour in March. I know we'll be in Scottsboro. On one Saturday, we'll be at Tannehill State Park on a Saturday for trade days there. But again, we'll post details once we get that from the publisher. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.